Have you ever thought to yourself, one app could change my life? Well, maybe it can. Welcome to KA Daily, a whole new chapter for our community. We're not just a fitness platform anymore. This is your daily go-to for movement, meals, and mindset. We're talking daily workouts, of course, but also daily nutrition, easy recipes, self-care tools, and real-life wellness guidance to help you feel your best every single day. Feeling good isn't a once-in-a-while thing. It's something you build with small, consistent choices, because daily habits create lifelong change. With KA Daily, we're making it simple to show up for yourself, with structure when you need it and flexibility when life gets busy. Whether it's a 20-minute sweat, a quick and nourishing meal, or a little moment of self-care, this is your space to feel strong, capable, and grounded in your daily routine. Life can be simple. Move better, eat smarter, feel amazing, and now it's all in one place. KA Daily is more than an app, it's a lifestyle built for your real life. So open it up, press play, and let's do this daily, because it's your time to thrive.